Okay, here we go. 25 seconds left. I've got the My Toyota site open at the moment. We're waiting patiently, 15 seconds. What'll happen now, I'll put in my details. It has to match my license as well. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll give that one more refresh. It is now 12. All right, here we go. So reserve now, click on that. Okay, there's still no link there. Hit that button. Here we go. So, all new Toyota Supra to reserve, enter your My Toyota email. So I'll put that in there, hit next. I'll put my password in. Okay, be one of the first, be quick, you only have 10 minutes, let's go. So, name, put in last name, my driver's license number, mobile number, preferred dealer. I'm just going to put in whoever at this point in time. We can fix that one later if we need to. Okay, preference. Let's go. GTS, I want the matte grey. Trim, I want to go the Alcantara. There we go. So that's one preference. Next, GTS again. Paint, I really like the look of black, also like white. What color should we go for? Let's go the blue. I reckon the blue look cool as well. And let's go the Alcantara again. Add credit card. So card holder name. Put that in. Paste that in. Expiry date. Do this as well. I've read the terms. Sounds about right. Okay, so it is all going through now. All right, our place has been reserved. Now we just have to wait and see. So basically from now, what's going to happen, it says our concierge Belinda will be in touch in the coming days to discuss your preferences and the next step in the ordering process. So fingers crossed, let's see what happens, and hopefully we wind up with a Supra. I'll let you know how we go.